Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to put a picture on Spotify playlist. So here I've already opened my Spotify and then here are the list of these are my playlists and I want to put a picture on my playlist. For example, this one right here. So nope, I think this one. Okay, this one. So what you need to do if you want to put a picture in the playlist is you can just click on the playlist name and then it will show up like this. And then when you put your cursor in the photo in the profile of the photo profile of the playlist, you can see there is a pencil icon. You can click on that to choose the photo that you want to add into the playlist. So I'm going to change it into this and then just choose the photo and click on open. Okay, so when you want to change it, just click on save. Okay, so just like that, a picture has been put in your playlist just like that. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next videos. Bye bye.